Hi guys, it's Alyssa's birthday. Yay. We're doing a girls' day today. Our first stop is acai bowls for breakfast. Everything is Alyssa's choice today.
So it's gonna be a good vlog.
We were gonna eat outside, but it was a little too hot. Hi, baby. She's like, why are you eating and not feeding me?
Thank you guys. Thanks.
Grandma, you sounded pretty good for being in the hospital.
Yeah, thank you.
I tried to hold that quivering voice in.
Well, you did good.
So how's the day going?
We just got acai bowls for breakfast.
A what?
Acai bowls, like smoothie bowls. It's like a smoothie but in a bowl, and there's like granola and strawberries on top.
Sounds good.
Yeah. And right now we're going to an art store so I can look for some art supplies.
Nice.
As you guys heard Alyssa's phone call, we're heading into an art supply store. She's been really looking forward to this.
This is my type of store.
This is like a huge store full of art stuff.
Oh, it has white too.
That looks nice. Oh,
Wow, it's oil stick.
that's cool.
Wow, look how pretty some of these colors are.
I know.
I think beaches are a lot, so this would be a good color to get.
Yeah, for the sand.
Yes, definitely. So far, black and white and tan.
It's a hard choice, isn't
This one's
it?
actually really good too.
I like that one too.
This one, and that one. Wow, ooh, thin ones. Ooh. Maybe I should just get a pack instead.
It's a hard choice.
This is what I need. And they're cheap too, like something to mix in. I totally need that.
I was just
Has a
gonna
lid.
say, if I was shopping for art supplies, I'd be getting these pretty colored pens, cute little things. Like, I don't even know if they are. I don't know. But Alyssa's getting the fancy stuff.
This is perfect for watercolors.
So many canvases. How do you pick? Whoa. You could make a full-size. She might have found a bigger canvas. Just slightly bigger. We're looking at erasers.
Definitely not that. Ooh, that might be good actually.
We're back to the brushes.
That was good.
We have to look at everything at least twice, right?
Oh yeah.
Best day ever. Well, we were going to drive to this really cool mall and it's really pretty and outdoors, but then we saw that it was an hour or longer, hour and a half, what was it, 2 hours? Whatever it was, we were like, we're not doing that.
There's a lot of traffic
On
right
Alyssa's
now.
Sweet 16. Sweet 16 is not meant for sitting in traffic. So instead we found this other mall that has literally no one in the parking lot.
And we're gonna go to like an early dinner / late lunch.
We're gonna eat
at
out.
BJ's, which I love BJ's.
Here we go. By the way, look at those cute shoes. Look at those. Alyssa's like, well, it's gonna be way cheaper with just us two here. And I'm like,
Instead of the whole family.
it's practically free.
I know, for us it is. Wait, a table for two. Did I hear that correctly?
A table for two.
That's gonna be so fast.
And it's not just Matt and I. Mommy, daughter, girls' day.
Yes.
This is great. It's cool because Chloe's with us.
Yeah.
The first of many girls' days, even though she doesn't know what it is yet.
She likes it so far.
Are you having a fun girls' day?
Yay.
Yes. I hope you're smiling under there. Oh, good. I think that means yes. Table for two. Or four. Lots of good choices. We got our food. There's Alyssa's yummy meal. Here's mine.
Why does it look like that?
Mine looks a little interesting. That's okay. Alyssa's looks good.
It's really good.
I just offered Alyssa some pineapple of mine.
Ooh,
and
that's bad. That's real bad.
it smells kind of funny. Like, we don't know if it's fermented.
Real bad.
Something's funny.
Yeah.
But I ate one already. So it came from the bar. Maybe they poured something in on accident. I don't know.
It came from the bar?
Yeah, that's what he said.
Oh, no wonder.
And Chloe woke up. Hi, baby. You slept through dinner. It's a brownie pizookie for her birthday. Make a wish. Now that we've fully stuffed ourselves with food,
It was very yummy.
we're gonna go shop it all off. Alyssa, I found your perfect sandal. That's you right there. Look cute. Actually, you actually have a lot of perfect for Alyssa shoes. Those look very close to what you're wearing right now. We found our section. Look at that. It's a complete disaster, but we might find a good deal.
It's cheap.
Well, that was disappointing. There was nothing good in the clearance section.
Yeah, not my style.
We had our hopes up, but it just wasn't her style. We take that back. As we were walking by, we noticed this sitting on the shelf. So we're gonna inquire about it. It's actually pretty cool.
Do you like it, Chloe?
Alyssa's trying them on. Ooh, cute. But in the meantime, I saw these, which are cute until you imagine actually walking on your toes. Want them? She's like, no. Chloe, do you like them? She's blowing raspberries. Cute. Chloe likes them too. Are they comfortable?
That's what I was gonna say.
They might not be comfortable.
Maybe not like all day, you know? I mean, they are really cute. Well,
She's now gonna try both of them on to see what she thinks. Why don't you walk around a bit?
yeah, let me walk around.
I think they're cute. Yeah, they give her like 2 inches. She decided the answer is... That looks really cute.
Pink is like a really good color for me.
We're matching.
Yay, and they fit.
They're cute.
Next shirt. Here's the next one. It's kind of the same style. It might be
A little too big, but it's cute.
Yeah. I tried this one on with the skirt underneath.
That's cute. Turn around. It looks cute on you.
I like it.
You like it? Looks like that one's too big too.
Yeah.
Everything's a little loose. Cute.
Stripes and checkers. I think it's cute.
I like it. Turn sideways. Let's see.
Chloe, I found you something. If she reaches for it, that means she wants it.
Oh, she likes it.
You like that? Is that
She's
pretty?
definitely looking at it.
Mm.
Do you like that?
Some of these can be really cute. Look at these adorable smells.
Oh, I like that one.
We forgot to film, but I really wanted new bed sheets and we found some really cute ones.
Yes, she's finally getting new bed sheets.
Because I didn't love the purple anymore. It didn't really match my pink room.
Let's see what that one is. Oh, it's your pineapple thing.
So cute, right?
Yes. Now it says relax. We're running. They're gonna close the doors. And we don't want to walk around the whole mall to get our car. We did it. That was close. It closed in like 1 minute.
Oh my god.
We almost had to walk in the dark by ourselves. We literally ran so much we put Chloe to sleep. Look, those tags are moving because Alyssa ran so fast right by him.
The two?
Yeah, I think we made it. Oh my gosh. I did not want to walk around the entire mall because we don't even know where we are. We've never been to this mall.
I know.
Oh man. So what happened was we went to the other Macy's and we had to go back to the other Macy's that we entered in so we could exit to the same place where we originally came in the store. Well, we're probably the last people in here except for the employees, but we made it. I was telling Alyssa, do not stop running.
You're like, don't running.
I was like, I'm gonna run into you with the stroller. That's a lot of momentum behind you. See? We made it. We are at the door right now. Oh shoot, are we locked in? Oh gosh. Maybe we're not waiting out this door. All right, we found one that works. Yes. And we're out. Now we have to go home and do presents.
I'm excited.
How was your day? Was this good?
It was really good. It was a good birthday.
I had fun. Okay, we're home. It's time to open presents.
I have a line. I have an audience.
Yes, everybody's here, including Nanny and Papa.
Let's see. Which one should I start with? I think let's start small. Oh my gosh! It's another favorite. Oh my gosh! I saw this at the store. So
I got it for you at Disney World.
That's adorable. I love it. I can add to my Groot collection. It's another Groot.
It's from Michael, Alyssa.
Michael, here you are. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Oh, wow.
Those are so cute. Oh, those are so cool.
I almost let you wear them yesterday.
Chloe's looking at them. You like it?
Really cool.
You're gonna have to go again, I guess. Oh, look at you.
You have a Captain America outfit you can wear that with.
Oh, yeah. Ooh. Let's see. Is it a shirt?
A dress.
Oh, it's a dress. I've been needing another
Oh, that's
dress.
really cute.
Pretty.
I like that color.
Good color for
Me
you.
too. I like pink dresses especially. Oh my gosh. This is so I love it too.
I got that in Florida, and then you saw it yesterday at Disneyland, and I was like, dang it.
Yeah.
She saw it.
Mama came over, you picked it up, and then you were putting it back, and Mama goes, way to ruin a birthday surprise.
Oh my gosh. Well, I would have never guessed, so it's still a birthday surprise. It's also like a plant, and I love little plants.
That's what I thought. It's a Groot and a plant for your room.
Are these makeup brushes? They're
Yes.
so pretty.
Ooh.
Wow. That's really pretty. Oh my gosh. It's a backpack. Cool. Look at this.
That's nice.
Cool.
Oh wait, it says, is that
Yeah, it's the new movie. The colors are so pretty. It's like a rainbow.
That's from Nanny and Papa.
I love it. Thank you.
Welcome.
That's cute,
Look how
Alyssa.
vibrant it is. I love it.
Oh, that's nice.
It's so cute. I like this color.
I know, I was gonna say, it's a pretty color.
Oh my gosh. Pineapple keychain.
is it hand sanitizer?
Yeah, what flavor?
I can't even remember what we got you.
Oh, sketchbook. I've been wanting a little one. This is so perfect.
Is that the same one you got at the store today?
Is it?
I don't
I
know.
think it is. That's okay. I'll use them both because I like this size a lot.
This is from Grandma and Grandpa.
Look, it's
Oh.
wrapping paper. That's so
Oh, that's cute wrapping paper.
That's so cute, right? Oh, look how cute. For cooking.
Oh, that
that's
is
so
cool.
pretty. Ooh, look at this one.
That's
so
cool.
right? Two more. Oh,
I love
that's such a
those.
pretty design, right?
Yeah, it's like
I
rainbow.
love it.
Oh, that's ours, yeah. That's my comb.
You see that for comb at their house?
And that's your sock. This is my favorite comb, and I left it at their house. One sock.
It's gotta match.
Oh, our shoe bag.
Our shoe bag.
Yeah, we left that at their house too.
How much stuff do we need there?
Hey, not too much.
I'm
Apparently,
assuming
like
this is
3
to share.
Looks like all the boys are very excited about their food treats. Didn't Daddy feed you all day today?
Michael ate a 5-layer burrito and pinto.
Did you remember to use your gift card?
Yes.
Good.
It was $1.99.
Good.
Oh, wow.
Okay, open Heather's present, Alyssa.
Pineapple soda.
Ooh.
This is so good. Airheads. Oh, I love these pipes. These ones are super good. Oh my gosh, my favorite, the nerd.
Ooh.
These are so good.
Better hide those.
Salt and vinegar, my favorite chip flavor. Brownie crust.
Ooh.
Birthday treat.
Those are really good. I've had those before.
I can tell the boys are excited too.
Peanut butter. Oh, I should make peanut butter cups with that. That is so good. It's a coupon.
Coupon for what?
Coupon. One free trip, like camping or something.
I told you, go somewhere like Europe.
She always says that. Well, I would just say Europe and I'll never book the trip. You can go in California, anywhere you want.
Anywhere in California, that's a good trip.
Oregon
We
border.
could go all the way to the Oregon border.
Not bad. Okay, she's at her last present.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, really pretty. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. This is really cute. Whoa, this is so cool. It's so colorful. I love the little bow on top. Ooh, even the inside is pretty.
Look how cute. Do they fit?
Let's see. Yeah, they do. Let me get this one
Oh,
on.
good.
Let's see.
I was hoping I got you the right size.
Ooh,
Oh my gosh, those
they
are
do
cute,
fit.
Alyssa.
They're so
Wow.
cute.
Those are
They
really
actually
cute
are
on
really, like,
you.
comfortable. They're like soft in the inside.
Alyssa has not walked in heels, really ever. Since she was like 5 and had a pair of heels.
So scary because I'm too used to like walking like this. Now I
Yes.
have to just walk like this. It's really
They're
hard.
cute, Alyssa. They're so cute. She's gonna fall.
So pretty. I love the flowers.
You're a natural.
I hope.
Here, walk over to the wall. Let's see. First time walking in these and you don't look bad at all.
I like them.
It's birthday cake time.
It fell apart.
The cake may have had a small issue. Alyssa requested half peanut butter, half mint.
With a chocolate separation layer.
A chocolate separation layer. Oh, I see it.
Visually see.
And maybe it didn't come out exactly as planned. However, it's going to taste very, very good.
Yeah, sure would.
Yes, somehow this is the peanut butter half, and this is the mint topping, and this is the mint half with the peanut butter topping.
You could just like scrape it off.
She couldn't see it when she put it on, but I also heard that someone might have labeled it wrong.
No, she told me which side.
I don't know. We need a mediator here.
No, they didn't hear my side. I came into the kitchen and I said, Mom, how are you going to tell which side's which? And she goes, that's a good point. We should label it. So I put toothpicks to show the center. And then she said, this side is mint.
So obviously Mom knew the sides and how they labeled it wrong.
She approved of the labeling.
But here's the real point. It'll taste good.
It will.
Yeah, as long as I don't eat the peanut butter with the mint.
So we're good.
That's true.
Should I candle it?
We're gonna candle it. This is an abstract cake. We've got it lit. It's not quite fallen over yet, so we better hurry and sing.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alyssa. Happy birthday to you. That's a lot of smoke, Alyssa. Mom's always the official cake cutter.
Yeah.
No one can cut a cake but Mom.
I haven't tried both.
Oh, that looks good, Alyssa.
Oh, that's
A good peanut butter cake with mint topping.
Put the mint off.
and here's the mint flavor.
I'm just worried there's not going to be enough cake for everyone.
Yummy, huh?
Yum, yummy.
Wow, that's a big bite, David. This is good. We're so full. We shared a piece and we couldn't finish it.
I was so full today.
We had too much food at BJ's. Alyssa is now laying out her birthday presents. She got some really cool stuff today. And I guess for now we'll say goodbye. Thanks for watching Alyssa's Sweet 16. Bye.